This is Tony Novak, here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is real estate tax losses, so let's jump right in. First of all, let me say, we're not even actually going to touch an explanation of real estate tax losses. All I'm going to do in this podcast, this short podcast, is mention the background, sketch the scenario, and then point to an excellent resource that does a much better job than any I've seen in decades of summarizing the entire situation. So the background is, for anybody that's invested in real estate, for most of our lives, the basic goal has been to break even on the cash flow. Why? Because no one likes something that's draining cash. In most cases, we want the real estate to be breaking even so we're not continuing to pour money into it month after month. In most cases, we don't want the real estate to be generating a whole ton of taxable income. Now, that's where it starts to get a little bit complicated. Real estate has the ability to not only count our cash transactions, that is, rents in and expenses out, but also counter in depreciation, which is a non-cash expense that can come off of our accounting books and in some cases come off of our tax returns as well. The in some cases is obviously is the part that gets complicated, and the fact that Congress messes with the depreciation laws every few years, and we've had recent changes lately. It's become an enormously complicated, convoluted, misunderstood, and one of the punching bags on social media nowadays. So, what prompted this recording today is that last week the Journal of Accountancy came out with an article that is the best summary that I've ever seen. And if you are invested in real estate and have a need to know, I strongly recommend this. It does a much better job than any explanation. When you get to my point, I've probably had 50 or 100 hours of professional training and lectures and webinars and whatnot, and reading on the topic. This article is the best summation that I've seen in all those years. So check it out. Thanks for tuning in today, and I will be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute. We'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. Reach me on the website taxproblems.cpa.